Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Facebook Messenger themes. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you want to use or change your Facebook Messenger themes, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook Messenger app and here just select any chat for which you want to change your theme. Let's say I'm going to select this one here. Now you just have to tap on the profile name or the profile option in the top left, and here you'll get at this time menu where you just have to select the theme option, and here you have to simply select the theme which one you want to set as. So let's say I'm going to select this one here. Now just tap on the select option and your theme will be changed. So in this way you can easily change your Facebook Messenger theme for any chat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.